day.
It is for the potential of severe thunderstorms again this evening. And in fact, the severe weather threat that's going to shape up across the mid-state this evening and tonight is in a higher category compared to the severe weather threat yesterday. Yesterday, we knew there wasn't going to be much energy in the atmosphere overall. This evening, that doesn't look like it's going to be the same case. Here's what to expect over the next 24 hours. We'll give you the overview, then we'll get into some details. Dry during the day, lots of sunshine, especially this morning, near record high temperatures in the low 70s. And then thunderstorms move in from the southwest this evening and continue overnight. The main threat's going to be from damaging straight line winds. It's almost always the primary concern with any severe weather threat. But this time around, we also have the isolated tornado threat. Greatest threat of that tornadic activity is going to be south of I-40. Then as the storms merge into a squall line, that becomes a straight line wind threat that will continue into eastern Middle Tennessee during the overnight hours. For now, we're getting rid of last night's rain. Very welcome rainfall. It had a lot of wind associated with it, very little lightning and thunder, and even the rain now is completely out of the mid-state, moving into East Tennessee where they desperately need it with all those wildfires around Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge. Rain falling in those locations right now. Not enough, but they'll take what they can get, and there is another round of rain that's going to be associated with those storms that'll move across the entire region overnight tonight. Looking outside this morning, skies are clearing out. Still a little bit of dampness on the roads here and there, but a good-looking sunrise across the mid-state, and not as much breeze compared to yesterday either. That's another good piece of news for those folks in East Tennessee. It's not going to be as windy. Still looking a little bit wet here from the city of Clifton in Wayne County. You can see a little reflection on the parking lot here at the St. Henry School in West Nashville, but those roads are going to dry out quickly, and the roads themselves should be dry. Just the parking lot's still a bit wet. Beautiful look at downtown Nashville right now. Temperatures have dropped as the skies have cleared out, but only to the mid to upper 40s. Still low 50s where you have more clouds hanging out overhead, but most of us are now in the 40s. Way above normal for this time of year. Average low temperature in Nashville is 35 degrees. We're 14 degrees above that, and we are going to warm up substantially as we head through the day. The average high is 55. We're going to be past that by 9 a.m. Up to around 70 by noon, low 70s for highs this afternoon. Very close to record territory. I think the record high of 75 should be safe. That was set just 10 years ago, 2006. Dry weather during the day. The cloud cover starts to increase a bit as we head into the afternoon, but any rain chance still lingering down to our south as we head into the afternoon hours. And then things rapidly deteriorate as we go into the evening with the potential of these separate thunderstorms developing as we head through the evening hours. These would be the supercell type storms. Those are the ones we don't want. Eventually those would merge into a line, a squall line of storms that has the greater straight line wind threat that marches to the east, brings some very welcome rainfall, but also have potential for wind damage, and any tornado threat that we have to monitor throughout the evening is going to have our full attention as well. Greatest threat of that would be in southwestern Middle Tennessee as the storms first move in. Slight risk of severe weather is level 2 out of 5, but that could be upgraded for parts of the area. We'll keep you posted on that as we head through the day. Quick look at the 7-day forecast. More rain over the weekend, but without the severe weather threat. Temperatures closer to normal beginning tomorrow. Rudy?
All right, Paul, thanks.